So this is my hair before using L'Oreal's, what is it called? L'Oreal Ever Pure Bond Repair Shampoo, Conditioner, and Pre-Shampoo. So you can see there's like a lot of breakage. My ends. So this is just what it looks like without using it. So this is the stuff that I got I'm going to be using. Alright, so this is my morning after. My first pre-shampoo, shampoo, and conditioner. I think that it looks so good. It feels so good. It's very soft. And it smells so good. Like my hair smells so good. I don't see as much flyaways or anything like that anymore, which is so good. The ends feel so much better. They don't feel like strawy. So I definitely think that it gave a lot of moisture, which is great. And so far I'm like really impressed by just the first use of this system. So I'm loving it.